streaming. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Looks like with a little delay. But something is missing here. I'm not sure what it is, people. But this is better so far. Thanks for the video, Sandro. I see this. NI Tempe shows live chat. Would appreciate if you would could reduce length of video. Well, it depends on the video. Some videos require more time. But most videos are about 5 minutes if it's one symbol. Which video are you talking about? As an example. Can you hear me no problem? Sometimes it seems that you are repeating. Well, there's always new people. So the videos are designed for both new and old people. So it looks like I got something happening here. I'm not sure why there's delay, but I fixed. I mean, this is working a lot better. So anyone else there? There's three. It says there's 3 watching. Type a message, anybody else, especially if you can hear what I'm saying. Or if you have a question to ask. As for NI Tempe, I do repeat some information because it's in case somebody's new. right? So they know how to subscribe. And there's just that's part. Some of the videos are going to have some repetitive parts, only because I'm only explaining some things. But 80% of the videos are length is important information. So live chat is something I'm going to be doing more of in the future. Because now I have the proper speed on upload and download. So Zach0304, thanks for the yes, no problem. Anybody made any nice money in the markets from some of the plans lately? If you look at my created playlist, NI Tempe, you're going to see great examples there. There's nothing been so detailed before ever done by anybody like that. It's better than an Excel sheet. Yes, the Apple and video. What about the Apple and Nvidia? What about Zach's the 0304? What about Nvidia and Nvidia? That's weird. So anybody ask a question? I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on with this thing. Oh, I see. See, it doesn't let me take the whole screen. I gotta figure that out. I'll figure that out. It's a software issue. The only good thing is people can hear me now. Just as a bit of an echo. Now, why isn't it? There's something that should be. Oh, there it is. So there's my thing going. Okay. There's a bit of a delay, and I gotta try different settings, because I've got the speed now. So anybody ask any questions while I'm doing this live stream? I'm just really trying this out right now. This is not really a serious live stream. Covering Lulu tonight. Yeah, Lulu, Jick tracks. Lulu has to confirm. We need to wait for some action right now. It failed to confirm my last plan. I have to make an update when I see some action, the correct action. So right now, Lulu, there's nothing really to cover right now. It's gonna need some time. Ah, yes. I gotta see if I can pronounce your name. Shanmuga, right? Is that correct? Shanmuga? Serve. I said it correctly. Wow. Now your last name is gonna be. That's a hard one to say. Let's see if I can do it. Savannah Macrishan. Savannah Macrishan. Yeah. That's a long last name. Oh, so your last name is Siva. Okay, for last name. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the last name is a long last name. But a lot of people have long last names. So for everyone understanding, I'm just really trying out this live stream. I gotta sort things out. One thing I do have is a lot of speed now. I just upgraded my the internet because to fiber connection, which kind of gives me now a 25 I think it's yeah gigabyte uh, down and 25 up. So I still don't get it. I don't still don't understand why my live stream has some echo. It's very strange. But I gotta figure something out. At least everyone can hear me quickly now. But I have a delay, so I don't know why. But I'll figure that out. So people who are watching this, a live stream allows you to chat live. You what you do is you type a message. I mean, I can't hear you, but you can hear me. So you look in the chat box, type a message. Do I think there'll be a major market drop in 2018? Who knows right now? Right now, there really is no sign of anything of that sort. What am I talking about tonight? Really nothing special. I just started trying. I was just trying to this live stream tonight. Somebody has some questions. I just answering questions. I getting a feel of things of how I'm going to do this live stream. See many people come to the live stream. All these statistical measures I got to take here. I mean, nobody knows there was a live stream right now. I just happen to open up the stream. Yeah, Tesla is set up. You know, we're going to watch for the confirmation for Tesla. You know, basically whatever I said in the videos is, you know, I'm looking for those confirmation. On StockTwits, it would help if you reply to directly to message instead of reply. Well, I don't wanna ruin my my stream with a whole bunch of messages. Yeah, you know, the larger price stocks are better to trade with options, I find. That's why you find more success. And the nice thing about options is that it allows you to trade these large stocks. You know, you can get options for $200 to $500, and you're controlling 100 shares on one contract, right? So it's more affordable for somebody to control 1,000 shares with options, but you need good direction, right? So my whole system is based on that. I'm in Canada, Toronto, Canada. Canadian twang in my voice. My system is something I developed. The system. I call it the visionary line system. Yeah, the video. The only thing you see in the video is a little bit of the spy chart. I right Right now I seem to not be able to use the full screen for some reason with the program. Again, in this live stream, I'm really just trying things out. The only good thing is that I'm able to speak right now. I don't use a website, I use a charting program, TC2000. Yeah, TC2000. That's the name of the program. If you do a Google search, you'll find it. But the program is quite sophisticated. There's a lot of ways to use the program. The stocks I posted, especially the stocks I'm looking at, are the ones I posted in the videos. You should always check my stream, but even the YouTube channel, it tells you the day and everything. See, the nice thing about the live chat is that people can ask me a question, and if it's helpful, it helps them learn how to use everything. I can make suggestions right on the spot. I just got to get this program working for me. Figure out which is the best stream option settings. See, ultra low latency, best for real-time interaction. Once I get that working, and I still got to play around with this and get this, because I like to have everything work without. As soon as I speak, there's no delay. I have the power. Yeah, I developed the idea, the program. Well, it's through many years of study. It's very unique. There's nothing like it. But it requires a lot of study to understand it and how to use it. Me, I've been trading for about 17, 20 years. They actually started when there was no, when I didn't even have a computer. I had to do the charts manually by hand. Now that's crazy. But seriously, I would get the book and I would then listen to the prices and then update the charts by hand. The candlesticks, believe it or not. Yeah. But I did that for the commodity markets. Cotton, corn, cocoa, uh, Japanese yen, stuff like that. I actually started with commodities, then I went to stocks. Big history for me. So there's 10 watching, and there's only 3 people typing messages. Anybody type a message. So if you're watching, type a message. You have a gift. Your analysis of. Well, well, Tony, it's been a lot of work to do what I have to what I have to see. I have no idea. It didn't come by fluke. In fact, it's I still continue to study to continue to improve. Well, for now it'll be after the markets close. Right now, anyways, to do these live streams. Yeah, like I said, I never announced I'd do a live stream. I just started go out with a live stream, and people are already showing up, so that's a good sign that the people would like it. What's your price start? For Netflix, it's an earnings thing. That can go up higher. It's hard to say with Netflix. The way I traded Netflix, for me, it's the trade is over for me. The in terms of entry points and all that, that depends on the market's action. Yeah, right now though, my I'm it's not set up to talk about every entry or exit. So what are the most of the plans are? If there's a direction, there's going to be plenty of opportunity for most people to take 100%. The key is to first get into them. So a lot of what I'm doing is a demonstration purpose as well, right? But it's also, people can make money doing it if they understand what's going on. Well, that's why you got to use stop losses. One thing, the one simple answer is if something's going against you, you can use a sell stop just before, let's say, a break even if the trade's not working. But a lot of times when they work, like if you look at Netflix, 300% sell, easy. The trade was very smooth, right? It depends. Trading is it changes all the time, right? Yeah, Facebook is something I'm not focusing on. Part of my system is to focus on what's in our favor, not every stock. Yeah, I do play earning plays if Netflix was a earnings run play. I don't know if you know that. We got a 300% move. If you looked at the last, you should review the video for the Netflix, the super. I called it the super Netflix trade. It's all documented in my live. Well, I've showed many examples, anyways. You'll be able to find it in my on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I can analyze a lot of stuff. Yeah, that's why I chose for FedEx. I chose the November options because of the possibility of that chop. Just as easy as it goes down, it goes up. It's been like that, but I think it's still a good trade. I think you don't get. See, I could analyze a lot of stocks, but part of my system is to find what's in our favor and focus on that. Even the stocks I choose as part of my system, they met a criteria. That's just how it works. But they have to confirm. Picks a lot of things up on my mic very easily through the live stream. Yeah, Edwin, FedEx is still really didn't go much against the first entry of what I said, right? In fact, it was actually going 80% for us before that pullback. So it looks like people are coming to the live stream. It looks like, I mean, I didn't post anything. Like I said, people, all I did was I started a live stream just like that. I didn't post that I was doing a live stream. In fact, I just did an internet upgrade. Yeah, a lot of people are holding FedEx. I'm holding FedEx too. We got a lot of time. I mean, unless I see something wrong, I mean, I think it's going to go up a lot more. So we'll just, the volume was very light going up, and that's why I think we went down. So we went up on light volume and down on volume. Volume could have came in, but it didn't come in. Something caused some selling on Friday. Could have been a lot of reasons. It could have been just the way they went up. The volume wasn't there. But definitely there's a lot of good positive stuff on the charts to support higher prices still. Just FedEx is a choppy trade. Yeah, Tesla is a fast-moving stock. You may have got the entry wrong on that one. Yeah, Mastercard, the financial those type of stocks are doing well. Yeah, that's why it seemed like AXP. I talked about AXP. It's just, they're the same. AXP, Visa, Mastercard. They're in the same category. Yeah, and Nvidia should be going up more. We'll find out. We are trending properly. All right, people. So who's ever watching? Whenever I do these live streams, what you got to do is you have to type messages on the live chat. Then I'll answer some questions. I'm gonna still play around with this thing because I have the power now. I just don't know why I'm getting this lag here. I gotta try different settings. Oh, BA is trending up. It's just that actually earnings are coming up very soon. I know the chart's off the center right now. I know that. I can't use the full screen right now. That's the problem. Yeah, GS had already a big move right now. I'm kind of not focusing on GS because there's not a great risk to reward ratio right now. Yeah, yeah, I'm still holding Nvidia as long as it acts correctly. Yeah. Yeah, I hear the echo too. I don't know why. Yeah, AMD. I'm not really focusing on AMD. I mean, you want to sell puts, you could, I guess. Yeah. Josh's investing channel. HH Netflix. What about Netflix? Yeah, I mean, if you like AMD, I mean, there's a lot of ways to make money in the markets. I don't really focus on cryptocurrency. My thing is stocks. There's tons of an opportunity with the stocks. I find it I have the most control with that. Just a lot of work, got to do a lot of scanning, a lot of analysis. I don't know if Facebook is going to easily break out race. I don't know. I have to look. It hasn't come up. Probably race doesn't have enough. Doesn't trade enough with enough volume. Because that stock never comes up on my scans. Like I said, I try to filter things down to the highest probability of whatever the stock, whatever setups are. Yeah, TC2000 for the software I use. I decide on the volume and price confirmation based on experience, based on what I'm looking at in the charts. A lot of factors. Well, the videos that I post are plans that I want to get into. Uh, and I posted a lot of great winning plans from start to end. That you can see on my created playlist. I've shown this many times. There's people who realize it as well, right? So, but it looks like there's going to be demand for this live streaming because I never announced anything, and it's we've had a 17 size 17 watching. Just that right now this stream isn't perfect because of this echo and stuff, but at least people can hear me. You know, my first streams I did, people couldn't even hear me. Yeah, my strategy, how I do that, is part of the strategy. It's really experience looking at things. It's developing the scans, then looking for them, looking for the stocks, making a decision based on what I'm seeing, based on my chart pattern, uh, the visionary lines, stuff like that. This is multiple years in the making. All right, people. Anyways, I'm going to go to sleep. We're going to try to do this another time. An ebook, I don't think so. There is no indicator really. I mean, I use I like the you see the ultimate oscillator. I look at that. but it's I don't decide it, but just on indicators. It's just there's some helpful tools. There's just certain things to look at. There's more to it than that. Anyways, people, looks like this live streaming is going to be something people are going to want to come to, especially if I announce it. Yeah, so all these plans are really to demonstrate my my analysis skills, and that's what it really is. I can assure you it's something unique. But it's a process. It's a big process. All right, people, I'm going to do this another time. So I'm going to say goodnight to everyone who did come in, check it out. Make sure to ask me questions, because there's a lot of people that haven't typed any messages, and hopefully I can fix this echoing problem, because I do have a lot of speed now. So now I don't know what the problem is, but I'll figure it out. All right, people. Good night, people. We'll try this another time.